Jackpot kami guys. Ayan. Thank you ma'am. My God, social na ako.
Anytime.
Feeling rich na ako guys. Tingnan niyo paano ko uminom.
Buwang ka talaga, Carl.
Dapat pag magpunas ganyan. Wag yung ano, pag walang nakakakita, sige subo, pero pag para sa
Good,
siya.
ma'am? Yes, it is. Thank you for enjoying.
Tapos pag may kadate ka dito, ma'am, maganda tong inumin mo pag may kadate ka. Kasi mapupunta dito yung bula. I'm just kidding.
Wow, just kidding. Now you know how to say just kidding.
We are in the special area, so you need to be special also.
Inano na, no? Binilag.
Ang lag talaga. Merry Christmas, Mom. Thank you for treating. Tama ba yung English ko? Treating.
Whatever. As long as you enjoy.
Whatever.